Alright, well, let's stick them together pretty good. Okay, so inside corners, I don't have a way to demo an outside corner today. This job doesn't have one, but inside corner, pound over the meat a little bit. Stay, bitch. Alright. Back the tip more. You don't want dents in the front. So I have a screw right here. You can see it. That's holding the back together, right? Nice and clean. I have a screw right here to hold the top together. Okay. Now I'm gonna put one more screw in the face. A lot of guys don't want to do this. I do it just because. I'm not the miter king quite yet, so my miters come together not as clean, but they do come together. So there it is. Okay. Now, what I do is that you put a fat bead of caulk. Put the caulk here. Okay. Okay, so there's going to be a seam you'll see. I put a fat bead all the way down, across in a line. The caulking just ran out, so I got to reuse the new tube. Okay. You probably won't be cutting corners for a long time, but if you ever do, get to it. I'd much rather be hanging gutters than at the machine. So if you ever take initiative and you're like, hey, I can cut corners, you'll be a fucking asset. Come on. There we go. Okay, anyway. Alright, so okay, so thick bead over the teeth. Okay, the tabs tend to separate because the caulking, I don't know, it's just a thing where it just separates. Okay, so this is how you tool it. This is actually really important because I've learned over the years how you tool the teeth of a hand cut matters. Okay, so I have a little tool here I made myself. This little thing, it was a little spatula looking thing. I made it out of smashing a spike. Okay, and you want to tool this. You want to tool it flat, kind of. You don't want to expose the seams. You don't want to tool it too thin. But where the teeth are, which is on the face, right? You only want to just tool the edges. You only want to level out the edges, because if you tool it, a lot of times it separates at the teeth and you get a leak. I've gotten a couple calls when I first started doing this with the leaks at the teeth. You only tool the edges on the face part. On the bottom, you tool it completely flat. Okay, like so. Okay. Again, I'm gonna get a close up on this corner. I don't want to hear nothing about the corner not being that great. Okay, it's not perfect. Still good enough. Okay. So, what the end result looks like, a little sloppy, but you get the point, right? Tool it flat in the back and in the bottom, but on the side, see that giant gob? You only want to tool the ends, okay? And after you get done doing that, okay, here's the corner. Got a little snot coming out. Just wipe it up with your finger, okay? All right, got a little snot coming out. And then what I do is just spritz up the face a little bit. Cleans up the rough edges. Boom. Vini vidi vici. Okay. This is all screwed in. House is almost done. Next thing I'm going to show you, last thing I'm going to show you is a downspout terminating to the ground.